There's growing skepticism about the safety and effectiveness of a COVID-19 vaccine. Head of the School of Public Health and Technology at UTech, Professor Winston Davidson, says the lack of proper storage facilities and the lack of information are of major concern. More in this report.
As efforts to develop and test a COVID-19 vaccine sparks debate around the timing and release of an approved drug, there has been a decline in the number of Jamaicans willing to participate in a vaccination exercise. Head of the School of Public Health and Technology at UTech, Professor Winston Davidson, argues that the lack of information is the root cause for the decline.
You can't produce a vaccine and be the judge and the jury at the same time. You have to give it to an independent body, like to judge as to whether the vaccine meets the criteria.
He cautioned against persons becoming overly zealous about the vaccine given its limited scope of testing. He added that an independent approval body such as the Lancet Journal, based on its experience, should be part of the process.
The Lancet is the oldest journal, one of the oldest journals in the world, and has been doing this from 18 something, and so therefore we expect that both the British AstraZeneca, the Moderna, and the Pfizer will go through that particular process.
Professor Davidson says the debate surrounding who gets vaccinated first is minute to the concern about how the drug gets into the island.
To store these vaccines at very, very low temperatures, you're talking about minus 70 to minus 90 for the Pfizer. Right? The Moderna does not have the same storage necessity. Right? So therefore, the temperature there is more in keeping with what we are accustomed to with the transportation and the storage of vaccines.
He notes that given the technicality surrounding the storage of the drug, it may affect persons living in remote areas getting vaccinated. Prince Moore, TVJ News.